We are pleased to show you the 2017 GMC Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG, and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power driver mirrors, security system, cruise control, power door locks. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.